Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your CREATIVE Zen Air Plus keep disconnecting. So firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. We can check it in the settings, by the way. So if you have Android, you will see that it's not connected. Sorry, if you have iOS. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends on Android phone. I just tell you about stock Android. On some Android phones, you just have no information like under your earbuds, also meaning the same. Now, after that, you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, so maybe this one is fixed your problem. And we have connection. So check. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Basically, we have two options how to perform a reset. So first I will show you how to do this using application and then manually. So you need to open Creative app, and of course your earbud should be connected with your phone. And then you just go to the settings and click reset device here and click reset there. With this method you don't need to reconnect them, but manually we need to do this. So now let's move to do it manually. So you put your earbuds to the charging case and open the lid. At the bottom we have a connection button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light flashed red 5 times. So press and hold. It can start flashing blue and red or just not flashing. Now we wait for the LED light. Oh, did I miss it? Okay, we have this flashing 5 times, so now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device, because if I press on them, as you can see, it just tells me to forget this device. After that, at the top, if you have Android, you will see a pair new device button, but not all Android phones have it. If you have, click at this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, but right now it doesn't work on iOS 26, so maybe they will fix it in the future, but right now I need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pink mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And we have connection, so now check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform we need to reset Bluetooth settings. And firstly I will show you how to do this on iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part to find a similar path. And also on Android, before we reset Bluetooth settings, we can disable spatial audio if your phone have this feature in the settings. I will show you this later when I move to Android. So now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to go to General Settings. So scroll down, click at the General, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset, and right here you need to select Reset Network Settings. On iPhone we haven't reset Bluetooth settings, so Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone, so you need to know it. Then reset, write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. So, before Bluetooth settings, you need to go to the settings and connected devices or Bluetooth. Then click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and right here we have spatial audio. I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom, it depends on Android phone, or you may have it. So try to firstly disable it, then check is it fixed. And now let's move to reset Bluetooth settings. So you need to also enter to the settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system, then scroll down again, and at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line, and right here you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. But once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, click reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!